Good evening, folks. Hope you're fine. We are going into a new week starting from 10th of Feb to 14th of Feb 2025. Let's see what trading opportunities we have. But before going into the charts, fundamentally on Tuesday we'll be having FED Chair Powell's speech. On Wednesday we'll be having CPI. This will bring volatility. Volatility means risk. Risk means opportunity. And then on Thursday we'll be having initial jobless claims, and then on Friday we'll be having core retail sales. So what we see is that next week we'll be going for some action, and there must be some good trading opportunities. On the charts, if we see last Friday, NFP was a market trap. You can see this yellow area. It was a sheer manipulation. Both the buyers and the sellers, they got trapped into the market. This was the market trap, manipulation. Right now, if you see, this area is the resistance, 2886. This is the area of resistance we have, and what we see is that the market gonna move downside. The chances are the market gonna move towards 2814, the fib area, and if the market breaks 2886, then we are going long on our positions. We got this resistance last week, 2882. Then we got this low over here at 2835. This was the low, and then the market bounced back towards 2886. Right now the overall structure of the market remains to the downside. Worst in case, if the market breaks 2886, the previous high, then we are going long on our positions for 2956. But right now we'll be staying short on our positions. This was the very interesting area the last Friday, and we made some massive real good profits with the weekly closing of 1350 pips in profits. We are staying short on our positions right now as long as 2886 holds. We are not going in a buy position. Worst in case, if the market breaks 2886, then we are going long on our position. So let's see how the next week unfolds, what trading opportunities we get, and how we're gonna capitalize on our profits. Stay managed and disciplined, and good luck with your trades. Bye.